This is my Lego Labyrinth box, kind of puzzle box. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. Here's Max with this marble. You put in your marble here, shake some things, and it will come out here if you done right. So, and I make 2 traps. So, yeah, you shake wrong way. So, yeah, 2 traps. Now, he will put in the marble. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So, yeah. So then, let me ask. So what do you want? How do one trap? Well, I showed the solution. You wanna do like that? Like that. It will go down here, and it will go around like that. Then it's kind of something like that, I think. Then down here it goes like that and out. The first trap, if you put in and shake like that, you can hear something shaking, but you can't get it out. So what you have to do is you have to do like that and shake it the other way. The other trap is on the red floor. So if you do like that, it will go down here. So it's somewhere like that. Yeah, there you go.